Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0008S in color code 001. It's a black color frame. It has a Gucci logo on the side of the temples with a green and red detailing. The temples are made out of rubber. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are a green color, and it has the Gucci logo engraved on the top right lens. Up here we have the Gucci velvet cases, and the colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.